Namaskara and welcome to Godrej Interior Upload and Transform Season 2. It's a nice cool day in the Silicon Valley of India. Yes, Bengaluru it is, the Garden City. This IT capital of India is famous for being a melting pot for diverse cultures. We are here to transform the life of our winner, Mrs. Nivedita Ubade. Nivedita is the proud winner of Godrej Interior Upload and Transform contest. Mrs. Ubade works as a surgeon and Mr. Ubade is an assistant manager in a US-based firm. All she did to win was click a picture of her home and upload it. It's time to meet our lucky winner.
Hi.
Hello, I am Tanvi and I am here with a team of experts to transform your home.
Did we really win?
Yes.
That's nice.
So let's see the space.
Yes, come in.
For how long have you been staying here?
4 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like 4 months.
Tell me, why this particular space?
We spend our maximum time here and we look forward to evenings here actually. When we are alone, it's a special place. So we do meet up with a lot of people. A lot of people come and go, lunches, dinners.
How do you manage in the current space?
We just drag things from here and there and try to make some sort of arrangement. People sitting on teapoys and chairs and stools and everything. So that just is. The idea with this place was that it's just too big. We didn't know what to do, where to put what.
We needed someone to guide us, and I think we have best people to guide us.
What kind of colors do you prefer?
Anything that will make it open up. Firstly, the cream I think is good, but the pink above is just covering up the whole area. It's just like one border. This is your cage, you have to be here. And also the windows, I don't think we do get much ventilation. So basically, we wanted color into our life.
And also make this place look like it's a bit more spacey.
And hospitable.
And yes, it's time to call Nazneen. So Nazneen, this time we have like a newly married couple. So how are you looking at transforming this special place?
Right now what they feel about this room that it looks really gloomy and dull, and also there's a restriction that there's no ventilation. So in terms of colors, we'll have to look at something that makes it look fresh, but also keeping their taste in mind. It should not look too bright.
How are you looking at the furniture bit?
See, the room is nice, but it looks cramped because of the way the furniture is right now. What we can do with the layout is we can have enough place for everyone, and at the same time it looks spacious.
And how about this particular shelf?
This is actually really nice, and if you work on this, we can make it a really interesting feature for the house.
Everything in 48 hours?
Yeah.
48 hours it is. Transformation in process. So Nazneen, how's it going?
The painting is going on right now. What we've decided in terms of colors is, the requirement that the room looked really gloomy before. What we're doing is we're giving a mustard yellow wall. It's nice, it's bright, but at the same time to not make it look really loud, we're offsetting it with light beige for the remaining walls.
What furniture have you brought in?
Furniture-wise, we're giving them an urban 3-seater, a Euro 2-seater. So again, mix and matching, but it's unique, it's to their taste, it's easy to maintain.
What else do we have in the living room?
For a TV unit, we're giving them an Aura TV unit, so they have those shelves, if they have to keep any of the entertainment equipments. And then we have a Gale coffee table as well as a Helix side table.
And this thing, finally, have you thought of something?
What we're doing is we're doing color blocking, which is really trendy.
I wish I could just fast forward the time to see this transformation. Godrej Interior has been transforming lives for over 8 decades now. It's a task that the experts at Godrej Interior are dedicated to and extremely adept at. So finally the wait is over. How's the feeling? Was there some daydreaming and stuff happening?
All throughout. We were just wondering what is going to happen. What are we going to walk into?
It's been a long wait. Let's see how my wait of 48 hours turns out to be.
So what is the first thing that you're probably going to check out once it's revealed to you?
The whole look of the place, the use of the space, the seating arrangement, basically, that is what. But in general, the whole look of the place.
I want to say how colors have been played with in the house. I'm very much interested in that.
Okay then, so it's time to reveal. Let's see.
Looks amazing, yeah? The colors.
Completely, this is our house. Wow.
The colors, the shelf is completely changed. Nice, very nice.
Exactly what we expected.
This looks
Nice, very nice.
That's the center table and that's the side table. I think it's really suiting the whole look. And that's the three-seater, the single-seater.
I'm dying to check this out.
We have a lot of sitting place now. And comfortable sitting place. That's the best thing.
This is very comfortable. It's very nice. We can't fight over this, I guess. Yeah, we both can sit on this.
Yeah, unlike our previous furniture,
Yeah,
we can now sit comfortably.
Yeah.
Okay, the TV unit. This is nice. A lot of space actually for all our CDs. So
This looks pretty good.
How do you feel? Do you feel like much brighter and much fresher in this room?
yeah, it's much better than what it was, and the best thing is that it is so aesthetically done. Nothing is over the top. Even though there are lots of colors in that, they just match so well. So nothing looks gaudy, nothing, and it goes with the furniture also, the greys and the yellows.
Right.
That's-
Mr. and Mrs. Ubare found the perfect place to relax after a busy day. And so, did they find the perfect place to spend special moments together. So, have you made this place special enough for both of you?
Special and more. Really happy with this. Thank you very much for this whole experience.
So this is how we transform Mr. and Mrs. Ubare's home and lives. Simple, isn't it? If you too would like us to transform your home and your lives, watch this space. This is Tanvi signing off. See you next time.